Hi, this is Mobile Max in West Hollywood, California, and this is a (2016) Audi TT Convertible Quattro, and I'm changing the seatbelt latch on it. Pretty fucking nice car. 220 horsepower, 2.0 T engine. Let's take a look at it. There it is. This one has pretty low miles. I think it's got like 26,000 miles on it or something. Runs really nice. But his seatbelt latch gave up the ghost. It's making problems. It's warning. Driver's side seatbelt latch. I ordered this from the dealer. It's making warning signs and there's fault codes. Anyways, pretty nice goddamn car. Here's the driver's side, and we're going to have to remove the driver's seat to install the seatbelt latch, which is right over there. It's an electric seat. The controls are on the side there. So we got to move the seat backwards and forwards. We move it back to get the front bolts. And then we move it forward to get the rear bolts. It's a bunch of electrical connections. So take your time. And then the seatbelt latch is on the side. You got to take the seat out, turn it on its side, and put the latch in. Okay, this is Mobile Max, signing off. Thank you very much.